Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to set up Django virtual environment on Windows 11 full guide. So for us to be able to begin, just open the folders onto your device, and once you're already in, just head onto your local disk. So once you're in here onto the upper part or onto its search bar, we're gonna type in cmd to get redirected to the command prompt. So this should open command prompt in here, and we're gonna go ahead and type in this specific line so that we could verify if Python is installed correctly. So click on enter. So this should show the Python version onto your device that is currently installed if you have installed it correctly. And since we've verified already that Python is installed correctly, let's close this one out first and let's create a file folder for the Django project. So just right click onto this, click on new, and click on new folder. So let's name this my Django project. Now right after, just open that file folder, and then we're gonna do the same thing wherein we're gonna go ahead in here and type in cmd. So you should be able to see again the command prompt in here. So we're gonna following line to create the virtual environment. So just type in there python -m venv virtual environment and then my environment. Then we're gonna go ahead and click on enter. So we're gonna add v in here so that my virtual environment, click on enter, and then we'll just wait for the process to complete. So a new folder will be created inside my Django project. So if you've noticed, another folder has been created, and that is gonna be our virtual environment. Now, right after that, we're gonna wait for this one to be done so that we could activate it. Now, once that one is done or the processing is done, you should be able to see this line again in here. So right after that, so to activate the virtual environment, we're gonna go ahead and type in this script. So my venv, the name of the virtual environment, and then / script, then activate. So we're gonna go ahead and click onto enter. And right after that, you should be able to see the virtual environment name, which is this one, that will appear onto the command line. Now, since we're already onto our virtual environment, it's time to go ahead and install the Django using pip. So this is the following line so that we could go ahead to install this. So just type in python -m pip install then the Django. So click on enter and let's wait for the installation to complete. So this is what it looks like once it is installing. So we'll just have to wait for this one to be done. And as you can see, it has been successfully installed already. Now, the next step that we're going to do is to create a Django project. So we'll need to go ahead and run the following command in here to create a Django project. So just type in this, Django -admin start project, then my Django project. And to create that onto a specific folder, just add in a period or dot onto the last part and then click on enter. So just wait for this one to be processed, and if you've noticed, right after you have processed that, there should be new files that has been added in here together with manage.py. So just make sure that this following file and this folder is created. Now, to go ahead and run the Django development server, we're going to start that one. And to do so, this is what we're going to type in onto the command line. Python, then manage.py, the name of the new file created, and then run server. Click on enter. And after running the command, you should be able to see an output similar to this. So wait for this one to be done. So you should be able to see the following link in here or the development server. So just click onto the control onto your keyboard and then click onto that link. And then you should be able to see this one. So as you can see, the install of the Django works successfully. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.